All right, let me quickly show you how you can uh, manage your school exam records without necessarily passing through some steps. So I have an application here that I've already prepared. So just go to open it. It will allow you to open. It's an application that allows you to manage your school records, exam records seamlessly. So when you open the application, it will require a password before you can open it. So let's input the password. They allow you to open it to take you to this home screen. Now you can see the home screen. This is a general version of it, so you can edit your school name. You can add your school name. This button, when you click on it, you can change this, add your school name. So this is just for the purpose of this recording, so that when you purchase it, you'll be able to use it well without any much explanation. And so this is how it works. You can see when it opens, you can see these 4 buttons here. These are the areas you can navigate them through. You can see the exam record. Let's go to exam record. Once you click the exam record, it will show you the record, the report file, yes, of your school. Here you can add your school logo, change your school logo, your school name, phone number, and all of that. You can also change the pictures of the students. Now you can see the subjects that are offered. You can add more subjects if you want. Let me just show you. This is for a student in row 11. So let's change the student. Once we change this student number, this roll number, everything about the student, the exam details will change. So you don't need to enter them individually in the record sheet, or pay anybody to do it for you. So what you do is you just click here, and then let's select number 1. Let's say number 1. Click on number 1. You will see how the records have changed. So what you just do, once the record have changed, you just go down, scroll down, you see the person's total mark 900. The obtained score is 592. Percentage gotten is 66%. So the final result shows that the person has passed the exam to the next class. If it is a professional class, then the grade he passed with is grade C. Yes, so that is how it works. Then after the printing, you can now sign does your signature here, and then stamp the school stamp if you have a school stamp. So just like I said, you can change all this. You can put your address, put your logo, put anything you want to put. You can also move them. If you don't want this to be here, you can move it here and edit it the way you want. That is how it goes. So you have to, before you get this result, before you get these details here, let's change again. Let's change to number 4. You can see it's changing. Everything is changing. Let's go to number. You can watch the video many times so that you understand it. You change it the way you know you can. And then the next thing you do is look at. Let's go back home. Let's go back home. So once you go back home, you go to this place again. Now before you can get that this exam record, the record of the exams, before you can do that, the report card, you need to update the exam record. So first you click here to take you to the record. So you can see this is where the information is being fetched. So all you need to do here is, like I said, you change all this if you want to just change everything. So all you need to do here is edit this table. The row number 1, you don't need to. Or if you want to edit this table, let's say you want this name to be changed, you edit this name. This is Michelle Abraham. You can edit it to anything you want. Which class, you edit it, write the class of the student. What is the student score in mathematics? If it is 60, you write 60. Then what happened here is your CA is not different from the exam, so you can add together both CA and the exam result in mathematics, so you can have a particular figure instead of separating them. The same thing is done in mathematics, physics, chemistry. You can add any other subject if you want, and then you do the same. You scroll down, do the same, do it to all your students. In this form, you don't need to sort the student class. Just impute the classes here. Primary 1, you don't need to say from primary 1 to primary 3 is supposed to be in one row. No, just impute the classes, impute anything you want, impute the classes at random. Yes, the record will do everything for you. And then after which you save, you go back. Let's go back again. You go back. Once you go back in your report system, you go to the report. Once you just click on this particular student you want to print the exam, his or her exam, once you click, it will take you, it will give you everything, all the result of the student will be detailed. And then what you just do is, what you don't need is to print. Just click Ctrl P and you print. Those who have computer knowledge understand what I mean by Ctrl P. And then you can add other records, just like other records, teachers and admission. Those ones are empty. But for the purpose of this thing, we're just looking at how you can help yourself in your school, yourself and your school, so that you don't make mistakes, and it makes everything easier for you. Instead of sorting manually, you can do it automatically. And also, if you also want a website for your school, so that your student can also be able to check their results. Yes, the website will enable them to check their results online. And they can check the result for 2021, they can check the result for 1994. So you can also do that. So that is just how this application works.